Helen DeVos Children's Hospital using cutting-edge technology to treat some of the most serious heart conditions.
Annie Satowski tells us about their nationally recognized Congenital Heart Center in this week's Medical Moment.
The Congenital Heart Center at Helen DeVos Children's Hospital is a one-of-a-kind program.
We have a comprehensive center with 13 cardiologists across a range of different subspecialties. And really we can do everything and anything that needs to be done here in West Michigan.
Dr. Marcus Ha, the center's co-director, says they take on some of the most complicated cases.
We now have performed a series of procedures on patients who have been said not to be able to have anything else done.
Dr. Ha says he's proud of the transformation the program has undergone in just a few short years.
Basically treating all cases that arrive. And so we're now a comprehensive center which deals with fetal diagnosis right through to old age and patients who have congenital heart repairs from times past.
He's also proud of their team, including Dr. Gadris Balulis, who Dr. Ha recruited to come to West Michigan from overseas.
I had a chance to perform about 500 procedures.
Dr. Balulis also has an impressive track record since starting in the program 5 years ago.
I was very pleased to find out that after we did analysis of my 5-year performance, that my survival rate is 99.2%.
Dr. Ha says what sets them apart is their use of cutting-edge technology, including the ability to create 3D printed models of a patient's heart.
We take digital data from a CT scan or an MRI scan or even an echo, or we can actually combine data from the 3 different types of scan and print from those. This patient really had no chance of what we call a biventricular repair or a normal circulation. And with the 3D model, I was able to open the heart up and look inside.
Dr. Ha says it's been paramount in the program's success.
With the 3D model, I was able to show the mom and dad exactly how we would do the surgery and why it was doable when they'd been told it wasn't doable in another center. And so that's incredibly reassuring for families that we're not just making things up.
Both doctors also say it wouldn't be possible without a supportive team within Spectrum Health.
To have all of this technology to support any decisions that you're trying to make or any suggestions that you're making to a family, I think is incredibly important.
I found a very supportive team of colleagues in the Congenital Heart Center and across the hospital. But stroke is even more me. Well, after arriving to Michigan, there's extremely friendly people, extremely friendly community. It was very unusual for me in the first instance to see the people walking on the streets and greeting you.
And they're both excited to see how they can better serve the West Michigan community as the program grows.
We see ourselves as a service to the community. The reason I came here from the UK was really the incredible connection between the people, the hospital, and the community, and the desire to deliver world-class care here in West Michigan.
Annie Satowski, Fox 17 News.